Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This time we're going to make a quick 15-minute recipe using some hot bean sauce and the new Easy Cook Yeos air dry noodles. For this recipe we need 100 grams of diced pork per person, 50 grams of the greens of your choice. I chose for this tender broccoli, 50 grams of sliced mushroom, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Mirin sauce, and of course our noodles. These new noodles are low fat, so they are not fried, and our hot bean sauce. These ingredients can be found in any supermarket or any Asian shop. So let's get cooking. So in a frying pan we're going to heat up, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and meanwhile you can put your kettle on for our noodles so they can cook easily and quickly. When our oil is hot, we will add our pork so it can cook evenly. Remember not to add salt because all of our sauces contain already salt, so it will be salty if you put more salt. Now it's the time to add our mirin sauce, which will give fragrance and actually will cook and leave the meat more tender. When the meat is medium cooked, we can add our veggies. I prefer my vegetables well done, but it's up to you. Now let's add our mushrooms, and the mushrooms, since they are fresh, they will add water to our food, so we will keep it healthy and not fried. Or if you think that the food is not going to be cooked in 15 minutes, it will. Now next we're going to add our soy sauce. We will let it cook for 5 minutes and then we start with our noodles. In another pan I'm going to add the water already boiled for my noodles, and if you want to make it without the pan, it's up to you. If you want to put the water in a bowl for your noodles, it is completely up to you. I prefer the good old pan. I'm going to add 1 block of noodles per person, and here you can see how much water the mushrooms left in the meat and the vegetables. I'm going to leave my Yeos noodles for 2 minutes since they are easy cooking. The food is almost done, so my noodles are already done. The water is quickly evaporating, the meat is done after 5 minutes, and it's time to add our hot bean sauce. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of hot bean sauce because I do like hot food, hot spicy food. It's up to you. If you're not very fond, or if you're just a lover of soft chili sauce, just add 1 tablespoon, otherwise it will be hot. This hot bean sauce will leave like a marinade after the food is cooked, and it will basically be the main flavor for this recipe. I'm going to take the noodles out and add it straight to the pan. Now give it a little stir, mix it up everything so the noodles can grab all the flavor from the hot bean sauce. Have it a quick meal, easy meal to make it in 15 minutes or under, and with good quality ingredients. Here we have it, our 15 minutes easy cook meal for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and follow me on social media as well. Tag me on your photos if you made this recipe. See you next time!